Today I plan on putting a bed cover on my truck. Unfortunately it's raining out, so I'll get her done, but it might be dribs and drabs. So to start off with, I'm gonna open it up here in the house. We'll do the unboxing in here, that way I can get to the instructions and see what it's all gonna entail, and then we'll go from there. So if you're interested in putting a bed cover on your F-150, stick around. Well, I opened it up and it appears to be packed rather nicely. Tyger is the brand name. I don't know why, but it has a storage bag. I plan to keep it installed, so there's the clips, hardware. So it seems to be good. So it's still raining out, so the dogs are helping me. Look at that happy dog. Happy dog's helping. You helping? Okay. So we'll get the instructions, read the instructions, and once it stops raining, I can go out and install it, but it looks fairly simple. And it's a Tyger brand. I got it from Amazon, and it's got instructions, bed cover, side rails, storage bag, magnetic LED light, I don't know what that's for, front seal strip, clamps, and a warranty card. So let's read the instructions and we'll go from there. Well, it's still raining out a little bit, but I'm gonna attempt to put this thing together in between raindrops. So I put the side rails down. I'm gonna go get the head rail that goes up along there and see what we can do. Once you have everything laid out, it said to loosen these screws so that you could install the side rails up against there and tighten them up. So that's my next step on both sides. One of the things I've learned is, while doing it in the rain, use a longer screwdriver so you can get up underneath the top, because it's hard to get a shorter screwdriver in there. So that side's tightened, this side is up next, and I'm going to tighten it, so I'll show you here in a second. I have it assembled. I don't have it strapped down yet, but as you can see, there is a gap up at the head between, because the front of the bed is lower than the side rail. So I'm gonna have to figure out how to close that gap. I'll probably go get some kind of weatherproofing or weather strip at Home Depot later today. So that's where we're at now. I'm gonna go get the clamps. I'm gonna try and shoot this one-handed, but the clips go on like this. They're very simple to do. I'll put one on over here. You extend it all the way, and then start at the bottom, go up, and then fit it into that clip. And it said they need to be 6 to 8 inches away. So the bottom goes underneath the lip, then up. So I have them all in their locations. I'm gonna go back, I'm gonna get my 10mm socket, tighten them all up, and then the next step they said was to roll it out to make sure it locks into place. So that'll be my next step, and then make sure it locks, and then I'm done, I think, except for doing something with that front lip. I'm trying to figure out what I'm going to do. I might get me a piece of 1x, but I'll figure something out. But yeah, it's quite the gap. I don't think much water will get in there, but I mean some water will. So here I go. All right, so I have everything tightened down. Use my Harbor Freight Super Duper Alice Cooper, and then we'll see if it actually fits. I'll roll it out. So to make sure the top supports are arched the right way. This one is okay. And then we'll see if I can get it to tighten. All right, so gonna pull it tight, and then it said to roll it in like this, and then tighten it. And it should close, but and lock. So there you go. It's locked in place. It looks tight. Let me see if it seals against the tailgate. Look at that. I think I may move it back a few inches, or an inch or so, but it definitely fits snugly. And it's a Tyger brand. I don't know. I'm gonna put the review probably on Amazon too, since this, I think that's where I bought it from. But seems to fit nice and snug. So there you go. That's the installation of this Tyger bed cover fabric. I installed it in probably 15 minutes, running back and forth, and you know, it looks like it's going to do the job. The only issue I seem to have is up at the front, the gap between the top of the bed, the front bed rail, and the bottom of the system. I'm going to go see if I can find some real thick foam sealer or something like that to seal that opening up. And I'm probably going to scoot this back probably a half an inch or so. So other than that, everything's pretty damn good. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and have a great day, and see you later. Please subscribe and please share.